What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of my top 3 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And I can already tell you, I want to spoiler you a little bit. All my hats from Topperzstore USA this week are made of wool. I love wool. I know that you guys also love wool, and I think from time to time we will bring back wool on certain occasions, certain hats. So let me know in the comments if you like wool or poly better, or if you don't care. But now, without further ado, let's go into this and start with my top 3 hats of the week from Topperzstore. And I would like to start off with the Minor League Monday drop, and boy oh boy, super clean. I love that hat. We already released this one at Topperzstore USA some days back, right? And now we also dropped it because a lot of you guys were asking for this Modesto Ace also on Topperzstore in Europe, and that's why we brought it over. Beautiful hat, black dome, Kelly green UV, and this embroidery in the front and on the side is absolutely amazing. So shout outs to New Era. Those hats are perfect. And on the next hat you will also see what a real great embroidery means. And this is my second place this week. And I mean, it was a longer time that we had a Colorado Rockies set, but now with this logo, with the brick by brick logo and this metallic pewter, I mean, this looks really good. And look how the shades are looking on the different angles. It's amazing. Chrome dome, purple button visor, and oh my god. Remember this side patch back in the days was absolutely crazy, and I thought I needed to bring back because it's a great side patch, 25th anniversary. And then we got a flat Cooperstown Betty on the back, gray UV, black guts, this beautiful Colorado Rockies brick by brick chrome dome. And now my first place this time is super clean, and probably you were not expecting this, but this is the first time that we used the Lakers logo and made the ball in gold, and it came out so great. I mean, this is an everyday hat, but with this special touch. Look at this, how crazy this came out. The Los Angeles Lakers. I love the side patch with the 310, and it looks absolutely amazing on a black dome, and the best thing is on the back, which I absolutely love. Look at this, Lake Show. So for all of you LeBron and Doncic fans, I mean, come on, this is your go-to hat. Beautiful, super clean, but with a special touch, the Los Angeles Lakers. This week, my first place from Topperzstore in Europe. Let me know in the comments below, what were your favorite hats this week? Which ones did you cop? And also let me know, which teams would you like to see next on both stores? So we are not waiting. Directly going into this, my top 3 hats from this week from Topperzstore USA. And I already spoiled you, all of them are wool, and I can already spoiler you, all of them are NHL, because this was a crazy NHL week. Third place this week, the Winnipeg Jets in this beautiful navy wool. And look at these crazy logos and the metallics. It looks amazing with this red maple leaf touch in here. It's beautiful. And then this 10th anniversary side patch. I mean, this is really crazy. Metallic pewter outline. Then you got metallic silver, metallic blue also in the front. And then you got the NHL shield on the back. Make it vintage. Gray UV, white guts. Beautiful hockey hat. 100% made of wool. My second place, and I know you guys love that logo, right? From the Ducks, and we blacked it out, and then we gave it a special touch of glowing in the dark, of course. Also 100% wool, and this beauty came out so bad. It's badass. It's badass. It's absolutely crazy. And then you got also here the side patch blacked out with the other mask and this red eyes here. And then on the back, just the NHL in glow in the dark, 100% wool, gray UV, black guts. Beautiful hat. And now, my first place this week, and wait, something more is coming. This is what I can already spoiler you, is this beauty of a hat. And you know, I'm a Red Wings fan, so not a Blackhawks fan, but this thing came out amazing. It flew. It was crazy drop. Thank you very much for your support. And look at these details. the side patch, everything has so much details. It's crazy. And shout outs also to Naira for this great produced hat. It came exactly out like we wanted it. 100% wool, gray UV, black guts, the Chicago Blackhawks, or gold, in all gold. Beautiful hat. Those were my top 3 hats of the week from Topperzstore USA. Also, let me know in the comments, do you agree with my selection or do you have a different selection? So, I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. Cap Talk episode 184, and we are loaded again with fantastic hats that we will show off. And there is also still the voting for our next community hat in our Discord. So make sure you click the link below in the description, go to our Discord, join our Discord and vote. Over 70 teams are available for voting, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I would like to thank you guys for tuning in, and if you have not hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button, support the channel and join the greatest hat community on this planet. Join the Topperzstore family, and if you like the video, of course, you can also hit the like button. Thank you very much guys for tuning in. I hope you can enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I'm out. Bye.